welcome to the mathematics class. In this class we will discuss the sum story problems from the exercise 3.7. The class is 5th standard. The first question, that is, there were 62,910 participants from 45 countries in a youth sports meet. The how many youths participated from each country if there were equal number of participants from each country? Okay, the given question, the how many participants there? 62,910. For that, from the 45 countries, we have to find out the number of the participants from each country there. So we have to find out the number of the participants from each country. Let's write the statements, given statements there. The number of the participants, the how many there? 62,910. The number of countries, the how many countries are participated? The 45 countries. The number of countries is equal to 45. Yes. Okay, we wrote the given question in the statements. So next we do the derivation. Yes, I wrote the 45 table there, and with this reference we will do the derivation, the division problem. Yes, what is that? The 45. The 45, it becomes the divisor, and the 62,910, it becomes the dividend. Yes, in the divisor how many numbers there? There are the two numbers. We have to choose the two numbers in the dividend part also. The 62 there, check the 62, it is in the 45 table or not? No. The nearest to the 62, that is the 45, ones are 45. Let's write the 1 in the quotient part, that means the 45 ones are 45. Let's do the subtraction. What is the division there? Division is the repeated subtraction. The 2 minus 5, not possible. We cannot subtract the 2 minus 5 there. So regroup the number there, the 12, and the tens place decreases 1. It becomes the 5. The 12 minus 5 is 7. The 5 minus 4 is 1. Take down the next number. That becomes 179. Yes. Next, check the 179. It is in the 45 table. No, the nearest to the 179. That is the 45 threes are 135. Yes, 45 threes are right. 3 in the quotient part and 135 in the dividend part. So 9 minus 5 is 4. The 7 minus 3 is 4. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, bring the number there. That becomes the 441. Yes, the nearest to the 441, that is the 45 nines are 405. So 45 nines are the 405. The 1 minus 5, not possible. It becomes 11. The tens place decreases 1. It becomes the 3. The 11 minus 5 is 6. The 3 minus 0 is 3. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, the number, that is 0. 360. It becomes the 360 day. Yes, the 45 8 ja 360. The 45 8 ja 360. 0 minus 0 is 0. The 6 minus 0, 6 is 0. The 3 minus 3 is 0. Yes, what is the quotient there? That is, the quotient is the 1398. The quotient is 1398. So write the statement there. So participants 1398 youths participated from 45 from each country. Yes, we find out that one from each country. Now, how many participants are participated in the sports meet? The 1398 participants participated from the each country. Next, go to the next problem. Okay, the second question is, the Neha won rupees 24,78,900 in a lottery. The name of the lady Neha, she won this much of amount in a lottery. If she has to distribute this amount equally among 10 of her relatives, she want to distribute the 24,78,900 rupees distributed to her relatives. The number of relatives are 10 there. So how much money would each relative get? So we have to find out the how much the money would the each relative get there. A solution is to write the given numbers in the statement. The total amount, how much the total amount there? That is the 24,78,900. The number of relatives. So the number of relatives, how many? The 10 relatives there. The number of relatives is equal to the 10. Yes, write the 10 in the divisor part. The 24 lakh, the 78,900 in the dividend. Yes, write the number there. The 10 and the 24,78,000, the 900. This number is divisible by the 10. This number is divisible by the 10. The 10 twos are, take the two numbers from the dividend part, that is 24. The 10 twos are 20. The 10 twos are 20. The 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, bring down the next digit. Club the number with the 4. That becomes the 47. 10 4s are 40. So 10 4s are 40. The 7 minus 0 is 7. The 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, bring down the next digit. Club with the 7. That becomes the 78. That becomes the 78. So 10 7s are 70. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, bring down the 9. That becomes the 89. That becomes 89. So 10 8s are 80. The 10 8s are 80. So 9 minus 0 is 9. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Next, take down the 0. That becomes 90 there. So 10 9s are 90. 0 and 0 there. Take down the last digit, that is 0. So put the 1 0 in the quotient part. Yes, what is the number in the quotient part? That is 2,47,890. So write there. Write the last sentence there. That is, so the 2,47,890 rupees money would each relative get. This much of money would each relative get. So this is the second question from the exercise 3.7. There are two more problems. So you have to do yourself with this knowledge. The exercise 3.7 is completed. Thank you.